Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled the Jaliza boho braid wig right here. I am loving it. Like seriously, I am a huge fan. I'm going to be showing you guys like 8 or 10 styles that would go for wearing this hair. So let me know which of the style you would go for in the comment section below. So this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging came with loads of amazing goodies. You got your eyelashes, you got your hair hanger, and also a wig bag as well. How amazing is that? I love the fact that the brand actually, included a wig bag or or wig storage and hanger in the packaging, because this is really essential. That's very thoughtful of them. I really love that about the brand, and coupled with the fact that the bag is actually branded as well. So this is what the hair looks like. The hair came with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. I love the construction of the cap. It's glueless. It also came with an adjustable elastic band and also an adjustable elastic strap as well, meaning you can actually install the wig without any glue or gel. Depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can literally slap this hair on and off you go with your elastic band or adjustable band. As you can tell, it also have 2 combs at the back and 3 combs at the front as well. It's a kind of full lace wig, but it has an HD lace, guys. HD lace, 5x7 HD lace. Did you hear that? HD lace. That's one of the first I've seen. Like, I can't believe that. Look at that. HD lace, guys. It melted into my skin effortlessly. And let's talk about the quality of the hair. Look at that. Look at that. By looking at the hair, you can already tell that there's no way you can experience any shedding with this, because the hair was made with 100% human hair, meaning there would be no shedding or tangling whatsoever. I love the fact that the hair brand actually put attention into details when it comes to the construction of the cap and the styling of the wig as well, or the making of the hair, I would say, because I didn't experience any tangling or shedding at all. Unlike the normal synthetic braided wigs, by the time you use them 2 to 3 times, you chuck them in the bin. But for this one, it's definitely different. Like, you can actually tell from the camera that, yeah, the quality of the hair is just amazing. I did everything humanly possible. If it's gonna tangle or get messy, I didn't experience that at all. So I'm just showing you guys how I installed this hair. I actually cut the lace into 3 places, as you can tell, and then applied the lace with glue, then placed the lace exactly on the areas where I applied the glue, and then press it on to further melt it into my skin, further melt the hair in. And yeah, that was it for the installation. Very simple, very easy, and also very straightforward. So I went ahead and used the scissors to cut off the excess lace from the hair. And also the baby hair is also human hair, meaning you can actually curl this hair, which I'll be showing you guys in a few seconds, because obviously nowadays you have to like curl your baby hair, make your baby hair pop in it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the fact that the baby hair was also human hair. Look at that. I used the highest heat, like highest, and you can tell from the camera that it's really hot, but the hair is not burning. That shows how well or how good the quality of the hair is. So you guys already know that I'm a fan of baby hair, but I don't know how to do it. But with this hair, because it's natural human hair, it was a bit easier for me, because I was able to use the straightener to coil it to give that, look that I was going for. I'm quite impressed. Look at that. Having a natural having your baby hair being human hair is one of the amazing thing about this hair. I love that it made it easier for me to curl the hair and do the baby hair that I don't know how to do. So if you're a novice, you have nothing to worry about at all. Absolutely nothing. Just cut off the excess from the hair and brush it down and you would be good to go. So it's a bonus that the baby hair is actually human hair as well. One thing I want you guys to look deep into or take note is how amazing is this hair. Look, no, just take a look, step back a minute and just relax and watch me, you know, do my thing with this hair. Like, look at that. Look at that. It feels like it felt like I was just coming from the salon. Like, how amazing is that? There's no need for me to go to the salon, waste my time on appointment, waste my time, you know, sitting like 6 hours to braid my hair. I don't need to do that. All I need to do is just bring this hair out of the box, slap it on with my elastic band and off I go. This would save you hours and hours of time, like money as well, and you can wear it over and over and over again because it's made with human hair. Like, seriously guys, just forget about the salon for a minute. Forget about sitting at the salon for hours and hours. Think about having this hair and wearing it anytime you like, changing your hairstyle, switching up your hairstyle at any time with the same hair, because this hair does not tangle, guys. Look at that. You can style it anyhow you like. How amazing is this? Having to know that you have your braided hair in place, that you know you can style it as many style as you want. And another thing I love about the hair is the fact that I didn't experience any, you know, frizziness. It was very easy for me to style this hair because it's made with human hair. Oh, remember, the emphasis is human hair and no tangling. Jaliza, thank you for doing this. Thank you so much, because a lot of the time when I see braided hair, I'm always like, no, 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 I don't want that. I don't want that. But with this, trust me, it's a great investment, bearing in mind that it was made with human hair and it's not going to tangle, it's not going to shed, it's not going to freeze, and you're going to be able to style it as you please, just like I showed you in this video. You have nothing to worry about at all, and trust me, you're gonna thank me later. I love this hair. I received a lot of compliment like, oh my god, I love your hair, oh my god. Yes, you will love my hair, but trust me, I didn't sit 6 hours to do it. They're like, are you joking me? I said, no, this is a wig. No, it's not a wig. Okay, let me pull it. They're like, oh my gosh, where did you get this? Don't worry, I'll give you the tea in my video. They're like, wow, I love this. This is really good. You can actually look at that, style 5. We're used to going to 10. How amazing is that? The switch up, guys, is one of the amazing things I love about this hair. The switch up and the lace. The lace melted effortlessly into my skin. The fact that I could go for as many styles as I want just gives me that joy inside me. And trust me guys, I will be wearing this wig soon, like very soon. You'll be seeing it in all my makeup videos because I love the way it gave my face that gorgeous look to it, and the fact that I could switch it up, down, middle anytime that I want. Look at that. Look at that. There's no boring moments or boring style with this hair. I really love it. The fact that it doesn't shed and tangle makes it one of the best braided hair that I have tried in ages. Trust me, one of the best. It's definitely gonna be on my top 2, like easily. I love it. I am a huge fan. Look at that. Look at that. Man, looking at it from the camera, you can already tell that this is not going to tangle at all. And you guys can already tell how easy it was for me to style this hair. Switch it up, switch it any way I want without any stress or hassle at all. I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair. And I love the fact that I don't even have to stress. no stress. Just change your style as you please, and as you can tell, you can go for any part of your choice: center part, half part, middle part. The part of the hair is just given I'm coming back from this, I just came back from the salon kind of vibe. Look at that. I love, love, love how they emphasize on the parts and the, you know, smoothness, softness of the hair. You need to touch this hair so that you can understand how I am feeling. The hair feels really, really soft to touch and very, very lightweight as well, guys. It's lightweight, very easy to style, and it's also voluminous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this. You guys need to run, don't walk, run to Jaliza website and check out their, you know, hairstyle. They have loads of amazing braid styles on their website, and I can assure you that you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share this gorgeous hair with you guys. This is by Jaliza hair. It's a boho style. As you guys can tell, I am loving it. Just gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you. If you guys don't know Jaliza hair are hair brand that are focused on innovative braided style for African in diaspora. They have all types of braided hair on their website. They have boho style, they have normal braid, they have all types of braided style on their website. All the hair on their website are made with human hair, high grade human hair quality. As you guys can tell, the hair does not, you know, tangle or freeze or look messy or anything like that. I try to use my hands to scratch the hair and do all types of tests to make sure that this hair is really human hair. I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair. The hair feels really, really soft. The texture of the hair is really soft. You can already tell that it's made with human hair quality, and hair is tangle free, and you can actually style this hair anyhow you like. You can go for center part, half part. As you guys can tell, it looks so much like scalp, and you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. The quality of the hair for me is everything, and at the same time there is no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. The quality of the hair is amazing, and the fact that the hair does not tangle for me is just a no-brainer, because, you know, if you buy those cheap braided, you know, boho hairstyles that are made with synthetic hair, guys, before 2-3 use, your money is wasted right in the bin. But this is definitely different. As you guys can tell from the way the hair looks right now, you can tell that the quality is giving what it's supposed to give. I am really impressed with the parts, the size of the braids, the length of the hair, the fact that the hair does not shed or give any nasty smell to it, or have this tangling, you know, having to fight your head just to put your braid or style your braid is one of the things that gives me a headache about braided hair. But with this hair, I didn't experience anything of so. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Like, seriously, where is the lace? Show me the lace. No way. This hair literally looked as if I was just coming from the salon. I really, really love this. I really recommend this hair. Absolutely. If you're just wearing synthetic, you know, braids that you would actually chuck in the bin after 2 or 3 wears, then I highly recommend this for you guys, because this hair is made with 100% human hair quality, and the lace at the front is also made with an HD lace, meaning this hair is going nowhere. You can actually repeat this hair over and over again because of the quality that the hair was made with. So I am loving this so far. In terms of the quality of the hair, is definitely a plus for me. In terms of the lace of the hair, is definitely a plus for me, because come on, look at that. Where is the lace? Melted seamlessly on my skin and gives that illusion of a natural hairline for me. I love this. I really, really love it. If you purchase any hair from Jaliza hair, you will definitely thank me. Another thing about this brand is the fact that the shipping was really, really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get in the UK, which for me is really amazing. And I love the fact that they have different types of style on their website as well, meaning you have so many options of style to choose from. In terms of the quality of the hair, is definitely a plus for me. In terms of the lace of the hair, is definitely a plus for me. And in terms of the shipping of the hair, is definitely a plus for me. And in terms of the fact that the hair does not tangle, tangling is one of the most important thing when it comes to, you know, your braided hair, and I haven't experienced any of that at all. A plus for me.